Okay, let's go.
Baby Kate, I wish you a happy family, you and Ben. I wish you well. Oh my god, I'm so happy for you guys.
Mwana wanjye nkunda Pamella, kuri uyu munsi wawe, umunsi w'ibyishimo, nkwifurije ibyiza byose mubyo yifuriza umwana.
You already know why I'm here. I'm here to let you know that which is a Pamella. She's such a beautiful soul. She's so amazing and she knows how to live with each and everyone, especially her girls, the bridesmaid, of course.
Pamella, I love you so much. I've been waiting for your day like my own. I couldn't wait to see this day coming. I can't wait to see what the Lord has in store for you and Ben. I love you so much.
Pamella, wowe mwari ujuguzu igitego cyanjyewe dore uko wagize ndakureba